We want to know how to block a user in Google Chat. Well, no worries. So blocking a user is super simple. If they're unknown and if they are going to do something malicious with you and your DMs, this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how you can directly block any users in Google Chat. So let's get right into it. First things first, just simply head towards the Google Chat website and you should be on this interface. And on the left side, you can just simply see direct messages. You can just simply hover on it or just simply select it and you should be seeing your users popping up. Now right beside it, you should be seeing this shortcut icon right here. Just simply select that and here you should be seeing various options popping up. Now here you should be seeing block and report on top, right above hide conversation. Just simply select that. Now here you can also report by selecting report to Google and then just simply select block. And that's it, super simple and easy. Now this contact has been blocked. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.